8 o'clock. And it's time for Ouch Palangi Show. And a big winakabagalevo, thank you. This show every morning from last year to this year, and we believe that you will be with us again next year. Mbulubinaka to those tuning in from the bus, also in the minivan, the taxis, students on the way to school this morning. A big mbulubinaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Yan Rabinaka Dems,
and Rabinaka Noah. Yan Rabinaka Atus.
Hey, Atus is only my brother. This morning Atu is Luki. He called me, he's in the farm. He's very busy doing farm work this morning. Back in the level, a very good morning to Atu and the family.
Yes, very good morning to all the students boarding the bus this morning.
Right.
It's Friday,
last
day of the week, and most students, today is like the game day.
Game day, right.
Game day. Daw sila tuning ito.
Dina.
Bigam ni katsarangon puli ni Sama Tiko may bukan na formu vito sa may daban na Peterongi.
Right.
And Singa and Noah.
Iyo.
Tini Papa na Singa and Noah. Bukan sasang ni galay bulito and Singa binakaniko.
Iyo.
So nga nabigam ni katsarangon ni lay bulitiko.
Right. Iyo.
Nuitaki ni Maru takatiko bakatalaki na nakiana nama gitiko.
Right.
Ni Maru takatuna nomu ni patangi-tangi.
Right.
Right. Maru takatuna patangi-tangi.
And
Belly Netherlevel, good morning.
Right.
All the way from Brisbane this morning.
Right.
Hope that the
everything is okay. Right, frequency.
Of VTFM
Right.
is clear,
Right.
loud and clear.
Okay. Good morning to those tuning in from this frequency in Raki.
Okay.
92.6 FM.
Right.
And also those who tuning in from Suba, Nausori, and also in Nandi, 92.2 FM.
Right.
And 92 FM in Sigatoka and Sabu Sabu. And also Lambasa,
Yes.
92.4 FM for those of you tuning in from the Coral Coast. Mbenga, Yanuda, and Serua. Mayoyo in Malolo. A very good morning to those of you tuning in from Mayoyo this morning. Hey, I love your glasses, my brother.
Okay, John Kumar, say good morning to you too.
Right. Right.
And Rabinaka and everybody joining this morning. It's
Right.
Friday.
Yeah.
It's a very nice see the sunshine.
Yes, very nice.
The sunshine is coming together with a white cloud.
You
Right.
look like a sunset.
Yeah.
Huh?
The bus.
Don't move. My.
Okay.
All those tuning in, watching this morning our live, Calaveti Rocco and LM69.
Okay.
Woo!
Para naka-taxi base no mula binakabiro ko
Yes.
sa amin ko may Mokani.
Right.
Coming right to Suba no sorry. Good morning to you and also to all the minibus drivers.
Right.
Right.
Suba no sorry corridor mula to Binaka to Kemuni.
Right.
And also to Corvo no sorry.
Right.
Not forgetting the Lotoka Suba, Nandi Lotoka,
Yes.
Don't
Tapua, also the taxi base.
Right.
Around the old.
Right.
Bonolevu.
Ah.
What?
Bonolevu.
Don't move
Abasa,
taxi. Who's that?
Senganga.
The purple taxi.
Oh, Firoz Khan.
Firoz Khan.
Right.
And the black gas taxi.
Black what?
Who's the fella? Arun.
Samsabu.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, good morning to you.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Okay, this morning we
Mitun.
We will continue maybe our because this is my last Ouch Palang with you too and breakfast show. We will continue our
Condolences.
what?
Condolences.
Mate. We will continue our debate this morning
Right.
between mommy and daddy and big Mbulvenaka and good morning to Caroline in Jernalangi.
Good morning to all the daddies.
All the daddies.
And
Okay.
all the mummies.
Wow.
Yes. Get ready, mummies.
All right. This is a question for you two. Who cooks better? Is it mommy or daddy?
Mommy. Mommy cooks better.
Right.
Because that is our trait.
All right.
That is our
Isn't
character.
that daddy straight? Say ni trade talaga na ita?
Siya nga.
Right.
Ota ako na trait nga ako na kana.
All right.
Yeah.
My.
Daddy.
Yeah. Daddy too can cook.
Daddy loves
Daddy
to
can cook.
Right,
Yes.
my.
If daddy cook,
Right.
even though the food is black,
Right.
mommy still need it.
Right. Even though the food is black.
Even though, kaya nga siya nakakana.
Right.
Oh, daddy, oh, mommy, nakakana because of the love.
Right.
Because of the love is there.
Right.
Mommy
Yeah.
is a good cooker.
Yeah.
Yes.
But when a daddy is a cooker,
Right.
Yes.
he's very tastable.
Yeah. Epatiko to my what he says, whoosh.
Kabik. and Rabinaka, Joan Kettles, New
Right.
South Wales, Australia.
Right.
Simon and Banuve.
Right.
And Rabinaka.
No, but if we look at it
Yeah.
in another way,
Yeah.
a lot of daddies,
Yes.
they don't like to cook at home,
They are-
but they take cooking as
Right.
a profession.
Chef.
There is a lot of male chef.
Right.
Right. Eh?
Yeah. This male chef, or if he cooks, everything gonna go black.
No, if he's a male chef,
Right.
even the pancake, he will add calorie.
The more the color, the taste, the better.
Green pancake.
Okay, okay. Who is more romantic?
Oh.
Mommy or daddy? Okay, the many.
Oh, mommy.
My.
You see mommy in a sickful way.
Right.
Kaya kan tapi Mateo, Mateo
Right.
Right.
Sometimes when mommy is in a coldish,
Yeah.
liwa-liwa,
Right.
in a coldish pattern of life,
Right.
you'll see how their tone, how their voice waving into your eardrum.
Right.
It's very, very undefined.
Right.
It's very, very, very.
The soft voice.
I don't agree
Wait,
with that. I don't agree
He's still
with
a-
that.
Okay,
Yes.
if you wanna know,
Right.
I like life.
That is the big example of romantic.
Right.
Yeah.
Eh?
Right.
Men are always romantic
Can I
because
find
they
out-
want something.
Right.
Mili suka na tambua.
Because when they want something, what?
Mili suka na tambua.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very
They're coming
romantic.
together with John Kumar.
Yeah.
John Kumar is cute. And we are, everybody is a romantic, huh?
No, between mommy and dad, who is more?
Daddy is
Mommy.
always romantic.
Okay, how daddy is a romantic?
Romantic because a lot of times, when the kids are there, daddy's head is sore and daddy wants mommy.
Right.
Eh, pinakatingin mami, madam.
Hey, the children are there.
No,
We,
body massage.
mummies, they take children first, not daddy.
Right.
But daddy is opposite from daddy.
Right.
What about if you not set up baby? Semper nangoni.
Yeah,
Right.
daddy, it will always be daddy. Daddy is the most
In
romantic.
what way,
Daddy
daddy?
want to hold the hand. Daddy
Right.
want to feed mommy with the food in the mouth.
Right.
That is daddy.
True.
Yes.
How daddy? How
Because
mommy
daddy always
set
plan,
hands in-
Is it true?
We are to that. Hindi ka tayo ko.
So daddy is more romantic than mommy. Eh?
Tuna mo jingera, naulunra na daddy.
Yeah.
Ito na box. Nata ni box ko, na box of na.
There is no time when you think of absolutely nothing.
But some people naisaw said,
Yeah.
daddy is a best romantic.
Daddy.
Daddy, tuloy
Look.
ko naisaw.
All right. Right.
Sisig.
So he agrees with you.
When they want something.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, see?
Yeah.
So they are supporting my point.
Right.
When daddy wants something,
Right.
or like daddy knows
Right.
that mommy will be very happy if I feed her.
You know what Appa said?
If I
Appa-
hug her.
Dems is romantic fever.
Oh, who's that? The Panadol way. Someone come.
Right.
Continue with the question.
All right. All right. So mommy is more romantic than daddy.
No, daddy.
Both of them.
Okay.
We are romantic. If a romantic is absent from your family,
Yeah.
that means your love is not growing.
It's boring.
Right.
Yeah, it's boring.
Right.
If you see your mommy, if you feed mommy, daddy, if you feed mommy, and mommy eat the food and also your finger, that means the love is
It's your finger.
Who helps the kids with the homework at home?
Mommy.
daddy.
Mommy.
Okay, explain.
Because mommy is smarter than daddy.
Mommy is smarter than daddy.
No, daddy is a very, very
And why
Very
daddy?
complicated. See?
Yeah.
come.
And why daddy is working?
No.
Daddy is smarter than mommy.
No, hey, mommy too is working.
Okay,
You
mine.
know, a
Love
lot
you
of mommies
100%.
are working.
Huh?
A lot.
Love you, honey.
Okay, Mai. Who spends homework? Yeah.
The one nga who stay at home.
Who helps more kids with homework?
The one nga who stay at home. If daddy is working, he don't have time to come and help the children.
So that means mommy.
Yeah, kaya
Mommy,
pagka
yes.
mommy or then mommy.
Mommy
Okay.
is always helping the children. If you go to the school or the CAPS meeting,
Yeah.
only mommy is there.
Right.
That shows mommy cares a lot for
Right.
the kids compared to the daddy.
Right. Who jealous faster?
Oh, mommy.
Faster, eh?
Mommy.
Right. Yeah.
Mommy is a jealousa.
Right. Explain.
Okay, in this way.
Right.
If daddy
Right.
If daddy eye contact with another mommy,
Right.
if mommy is there,
Yeah.
mommy don't want to talk,
Yeah.
daddy will look for his own food.
Right.
No food. He will be nil by mouth. Everything in the home.
Yeah.
He will when daddy is at the back,
Yeah.
even though the house is cleaning,
Right.
he will take everything and put in a different way.
Right. Mess up the house.
Yeah, mess up the house.
Yeah,
Take daddy's safety boot
Right.
and live into the forest.
Right.
And every daddy's belonging,
Right.
he put in carelessly.
Right.
Because mommy is eye contact, daddy is eye contact with another mommy.
Right.
That will be happen.
Okay, why is
No,
that?
daddy is more jealous of mommy.
My explain.
If you see a lot of daddies,
Right.
they don't want you to go to the songo.
Right, yeah,
If
yeah.
there's a occasion from your side of the family,
Right.
Mulai bawa titali.
Right, right.
and daddy
Explain.
will be like this. No, you don't go. Otherwise, you'll
Yeah.
go and see your ex.
Yeah.
XYZ there.
Yeah, because this is the world.
No,
This
you
is
have
the
to
world.
trust. No, daddy's a lot of jealousy inside daddy's heart.
Spirit of jealousy.
Spirit of jealousy.
Right, right,
No
right.
one can even touch your shoulder like this. No man can even touch your shoulder.
Yeah,
Hey.
don't touch. That's
See?
my belonging.
Don't touch.
Don't touch. That's my belonging.
How about if they want to dance in two-step?
Don't two step. Apart. Kita kira-kira.
William Sarah.
Senikilati korto naweka.
Yeah.
Sana, ya wadi di maker nunggu ni doro.
Bona isaw, kailangan na ko damage na nil by mouth.
Then daddy, you want to be mommy.
Oh, yeah.
Merang kosa.
Arnen.
Driver ningon ni buli
Yeah.
na Willy tatiwanga.
Dobula. Entine ya, jealous nga bale mona, James.
Siya
Ona,
nga, jealous
ona
na bali
daw
mo ta.
jealous.
Right.
Nakinan daw jealous sa wala nga ang gore dango.
Iya.
Mi beta rato nga na account. Uti ang upload to nga may nakinita ba na account needed.
Right.
Jealous nga
Eh?
ko, daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, when mommy is working, looking nice,
Right.
and coming to work, coming home late, daddy says, no more work. Stay home, look after the kids.
Tarato na
That
talo-
is jealousy.
Right.
Login to ko mami na account ni daddy.
Right.
Uti upload ta katungan na itamba kayo nakinita ba na account ni daddy.
Ah.
Caption ta katu kinaba kami pretend ko daddy.
Right.
Uti o kanda rete ani huro sabi to mo ni engineer to ko siya nga.
Iya. Yang mami ya.
Mami nga imbuto to. Mami nga stay marama. Eh? When daddy
Is it good to say password?
Daddy only helps
Yes.
mommy when daddy mari. Yes,
It's
of
good to
course.
share password.
Right.
You will only change the password if you're hiding something. Secrecy and
I
liar.
don't want that. Follow your own.
Sometimes when mommy log in like this and the password changes. Why?
Yes.
Yeah, because I'm the owner.
Because daddy is hiding something.
1+1 is 1.
Yes.
And why mommy going another way when daddy say no?
Maybe because mommy wanna enjoy.
Yes.
Enjoy karang galitin nga na. Enjoy. Sikilita mo lang. Ellen mo ang galaw may meme. Iyo. So kapang ko namin din rin bagita.
Hindi na sir. Hindi na sir.
Anda ba hindi na bagiti ko nda. Tos tunga ng grabe-tabi.
Right.
So lebu weekend ako hindi na.
Who is very truthful?
truthful is daddy.
Mommy.
Eh?
Daddy is
Daddy
the
is
biggest
a killer.
liar in
Who
this world.
sticks to his word during marriage till death do
Nobody.
us apart?
Nobody. Nobody. Nobody stick to his sword.
Yeah.
Nobody.
No.
Nowadays.
Women, mommy stick to the promise.
Tenga.
Who
Yes.
sticks to the promise?
If daddy steps outside,
Right.
then that is where the trust is broken. And
Right.
that is also where
Who is not
mommy
trusted?
will start breaking the promises.
When mommy is cheating, when mommy is cheating,
Yeah.
daddy can hold his horse. Sakay pinakatunga ko mitombo. Ano ti minakertal no sabungan ko mitombo. Ibinabi yung buko. Iyo kita
Namalaw.
sama.
Okay.
Namalaw po nini binaka go Fiji go against England.
Right.
Sunday.
6:40.
Right.
Ha?
Sunday morning.
5:40 eh?
640.
6:40.
Right. Nabalem Sarah,